Hello, welcome to the channel viewers. Tenerife Tez walking across the Promenade in Playa Las Americas. Come and take a walk with me. Oh, nice little restaurant just setting up there, look you. That'll be open shortly. Time's pretty early in the morning, so you can understand why not many folk actually eating breakfasts. And here's your Happy Market. Lots of stuff in there is actually homemade, so go in there and support the local talent. It's definitely busy this morning, and it's a bit of a cloudy day, but I'm sure it'll get a little bit warmer in a while, and the sun will burn off the clouds. You can go up there to the patch, Aberdeen Steakhouse there, or we're going to keep walking on down here. Café de Paris. They have a nice sort of like eating area outside on the beach. So, have you frequented the Café Paris? Oh, even the Indian over there, look here. Authentic Indian restaurant. Sorry, change the subject. Back to the Café Paris. It is a very, very nice place to sit, especially in the evening. Have a meal and a cool drink, cool refreshment. What's not to like? And this is located smack bang on the promenade. It does get very busy, so I'll warn you on that one. It's a nice place. Yeah, there you go. And that's your Café Paris. More places to eat here as well. Coffee and a cake, $5.50. Bargain. What do you reckon? What do you reckon to that? Looks like he's limbering up to do some surfing. Oh, another one of those fun groob shops here. They are all over. You know that anyway. What else we're going to have around here? More bars. Some of these bars come and go, so it's difficult. You know, you get a favourite bar and they disappear. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Very, very nice. Lots of different prices of breakfasts. Some better quality than others, or some more bargains.
Pictures again.
Yeah. Are you going to give a wave? There you go. So what can you say to that then, folk? There's your Moretti restaurant. This one's not been here too long. Does have good reviews. I know that certain YouTubers have actually filmed that. So search the restaurant and no doubt you will find the YouTube blog. Ali up there, look you. And what else? Let's just get round these. Oh yeah, and there's your Mackie D's. Good location for a Mackie D's. What do you reckon? One of your Parque Santiago's there and your H10 Conquistador. Walk over here. So there you go. And same as I say, it's a good day for surfing, I believe, today. Used to get a lot of the surfers' vans parked around here, but not no more. There must be a reason for that. But, oh, there's the sign, do's and don'ts. They were cracking down on mobility scooters over here, and I think when we first started to come over here, Mrs. Tez had a scooter, we had to show the blue badge. Don't know if we could go back to that again, just to stop abuse of them. I don't know. I don't know what's right and wrong. I'm sure everybody's got an opinion on that. But anyway, we're going to head off down here and go down to the metropolis? Or should we end it here? Yeah, I think we'll end it here and pick it up down further down the road somewhere. Okay then, viewers, I will catch you in the next one.